Have the avocado with cucumber. Italian curry. Hey guys, it's Sierra. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos about navigating my life through my 20s. This week I want to take you guys through the dinners that I'm cooking throughout the week. Typically on Sundays I've been doing meal prepping, but honestly I've been getting a little bit tired of eating the same thing over and over again throughout the week. So I'm going to try to attempt to cook something different each night and using that as my meal prep for the next day for lunch, but still making something new and fresh for dinner. So today we're going to be making tortellini soup. I've actually never made this recipe before, but I'm very excited, especially because it's been so cold recently here. I need something warm and cozy to help me defrost, especially because I just came home from work. So I'm super excited to be making this. So let's get into it and let's start cooking. So for the soup today, this is what I'm going to be using. I have some spinach, sweet potato, obviously our tortellini, and then some sausages as well. I'm also trying to keep these recipes as high protein as I can. Essentially, I'm just going to take the casings off of the sausages, cut up the sweet potato, and throw it into a pot to make the soup. I'm actually really happy about this recipe because it seems really easy, but I know it's going to be super good and very flavorful. Now everything's added except for the tortellini and the spinach, so I'm just gonna wait for this to boil. We're gonna let the potatoes cook, and then we are going to add in our tortellini and spinach, and it will be done. Honestly, this was really quick. I'm actually really happy with how fast this gets put together, and I can already tell it's gonna be so delicious. So we will come back when the potatoes are done cooking. The soup is so good. I literally already had a bowl and I forgot to film because it was just so delicious, but it's actually like so comforting eating this. And I really like that the pasta is tortellini because it gets some cheese in there as well, which makes it super yummy. So right now I'm going to start preparing dinner for tomorrow. I'm going to make a little salmon bowl. So I'm going to start marinating the salmon right now. I'm just going to do a little teriyaki sauce on it. So what I have for that is brown sugar, honey, soy sauce, and then I have ginger and garlic that I'm going to put into it as well. So I'm just going to add all that together in a bowl and then put it in the fridge overnight so it's ready to be cooked tomorrow. Some avocado and cucumber to put in my salmon bowl today. Now he just cooked it while I was at the gym, so I'm excited to eat and I'm very hungry. Okay, it looks delicious. this. I have my avocado, my cucumber, my salmon, and then I just put that on some rice. And I'm so excited to eat. I'm really, really hungry right now. You can't tell there's like ginger. What? You don't taste the ginger? Wow, a lot of them for squash. So today at the gym was a leg day, and I decided to do supersets for every single set that I did. Yeah, I was pretty gassed by the end of it, but the reason why I did it was because I went to a workout class last week. I talked about it a bit in my last video, the video before that, and the class was literally only supersets. It was like 4 different stations with like compounds and then supersetting with like a lunge or like a Bulgarian split squat, something like that, and it was insane. The pump was insane afterwards, and also I was sore for days. I haven't been sore from doing a leg day like that in so long, so I was like, clearly I need to be switching it up sometimes to like actually feel something afterwards, and making sure that my muscles are actually growing. So I decided to do that today. I might start incorporating more supersets in my workouts now, just to make sure that my legs are getting tired out as much as they can, and hopefully that helps with some muscle growth. But I thought it was interesting because I finished that workout class being like, I'm never gonna do something like that again, but then I went into the gym today. I was like, I feel like I should try it, and it was fun. Obviously you can't like lift as heavy, but it's a good way to like really tire yourself out, so we'll see how sore I am in the next few days. Back from work, we are going to cook tonight's dinner, which is going to be Thai red curry. We made it maybe about a month ago, and we bought the Thai red curry paste that we have a lot extra of. I thought this week would be a good week to make it again. Thai curry is literally one of my favorite foods. I love it so freaking much, and I can't wait to eat it tonight. For it, I have, obviously, we have the Thai red curry. I have a pumpkin, eggplant, and then we have some kaffir lime leaves in this, and also red peppers. There might be green peppers in here as well. And then I'm also gonna cook some chicken with it. So that's just in the fridge. We also have coconut cream, but we're gonna get all of our ingredients together and then we will start cooking. I think we will also eat it with jasmine rice if we have it. I think Naoki's gonna help me do a lot of the cutting because I struggle with cutting big veggies, so he will do that for me. So yummy. Oh, that's so good. Okay, now he's trying the squash with dashi that he made. Is it dashi, right?
Dashi. Dashi.
Dashi. Can I try?
Oh.
Does it literally just taste like dashi?
No. It just needs to cool.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, I like it.
So if you guys don't already know, I've been crocheting ever since I think 2021, and this year I decided that I want to try knitting. So I started this project, I don't know, I think like 2 or 3 months ago. It's a Sophie shawl from Petite Knit, and I did it because it was a beginner pattern and I thought it was cute. But I kind of regret doing it because I am kind of struggling getting through it. It is so big. I probably should have started off with like a little bit of a smaller project. But yeah, it's taking me forever. This is how much progress I've made since I don't even remember when I bought this. According to my email, I downloaded this pattern on October 6th. It is December 10th today, and this is my progress. I will say, like, I probably worked on this for like a week and then I put it away forever and I thought I was never gonna go back to it, but I have all this yarn and I bought these knitting needles, so I need to finish it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Did I have to reteach myself how to do a knit stitch? Yes, but I'm going to attempt to put a little bit of a dent in this today. But also, like, I'm tired of it. Just finished our dinner. It was so good and I'm so proud because this was the only time that we ate out this week. Well, besides yesterday, but that was an event and it was free, so we didn't spend money. But yeah, our dinner was super good, and I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the dinners that we made this week. I had a lot of fun making them all. Did get very tired towards the end of the week, but I'm so glad that we were able to do it and I thought it was absolutely delicious. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.